Hey YouTubers, the gun crazy guy here. We're going to lube and oil this G27 OD. I'm going to show you how to properly lube a Glock. We've got it all put back together. It's all buttoned up. Show you how to do this. Hops, oil, use what you want. I don't like break free or nothing like that, but we're just going to put a drop, and this is all in the Armorer's Manual. This is how Glock recommends that you lube their safe action pistols. Put a drop there. Now all we did is oil, all we've done is oil the barrel. That's it. Drop it in. I'm going to go ahead and put the spring in. Recoil spring. There you go, recoil spring. Now, put a little drop there, there, and that's it. We're going to let the slide put the oil where the slide needs the oil. Now all I did here is there's a channel here that this rides on. Put one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, and one there. That's it. Now I put a drop right here on this piece and I rub it in. Let me tell you why. You get a little oil, take a Q-tip, clean up your mess. You're going to get some oil down in here, and it's going to get down in the firing pin and what have you. That's fine. But look, this rides metal on metal. We all know how to put a Glock back together. Line it up. Bring it home. Locks in. Alright, so we've got that. You see it is clear, no magazine. I'm going to show you this trigger now. No over travel.